Hey everybody, it's Taylor with Boydston Grove, and today we're going to take a look at Hychika's mini circular saw. Let's get into it. This is not a sponsored video. Hychika reached out to me, asked if they sent the saw, would I mind using it on a few projects and letting them know what I think. Right off the bat, I have to say that I am really pleased with the quality of the feel of the tool. It doesn't feel cheap at all. It actually has some good weight to it, almost a little too much weight. It's pretty heavy, but what do you expect for 3,500 RPM? This thing has some real get up and go for such a little tool. Something that I really like about this tool is the plate right here. It actually is nice and solid. It's not thin. It doesn't feel like it's gonna bend or twist or anything. It's really well built. Now, I haven't had this tool for years or anything, so only time will tell if it will hold up, but right out of the box, it doesn't bog down. It cuts really smooth. It just feels really good. There are two things that so far I've noticed that I'm not 100% happy with, but I mean, it's not really that big of a deal. Number one, I'm right-handed and the safety trigger is right here. So that means when I'm holding the tool, I have to wrap my thumb around to hit that safety and try to hit the trigger at the same time. It's a little uncomfortable. If you were left-handed, this would be like perfect because it's right there underneath your finger. But as a right-handed, it almost is a little tough on the wrist to have to reach around and push that right there. But I mean, it is a safety feature, so I guess it's making it safe. I don't know. The second thing is that this does come with an edge guide, and it is held in here with a little set screw, and it works fine. But I did notice if you end up over tightening this set screw a little bit, the set screw will actually start to slip underneath the edge guide and cause it to bow a little bit. So you just have to be careful when you're setting that set screw to not over tighten it. I did notice that all the knobs on here are plastic, but they're actually pretty tough feeling plastic. They're not really cheap. They feel like they're really gonna hold up. This saw does come with a dust extraction attachment along with an adapter to connect into a hose. It didn't fit mine exactly, but I was able to find another adapter to hook it up and it works just fine. This saw does have the ability to pivot the plate here with this knob here, and it will go up to 45 degrees, and it does work really well. You can also adjust the depth of the plate with this knob right here. It works just the same as the pivoting knob right here. It's actually the exact same knob, and it tightens up really tight. These knobs are plastic, but they feel really good. They're nice and solid. The blades are changed with an Allen wrench, which the company has attached to the base of the tool right here on the cord, so that's nice and convenient, and it's in there pretty snug, so I don't see that there's any chance of ever losing that. Plus, it's a pretty standard size. Your locking button to lock the blade in place is right here, and that way you can easily change this out with the given Allen wrench. Hychika sells this same saw with multiple upgrade versions. I got the basic one, which came with 3 additional blades. They also have a version that has a laser level attachment and one that has a carry bag. Now, I'm sure a bunch of you are wondering, what would you actually use this tool for? When would it come in the most handy? Well, for me as a contractor, I had the Dremel Multi-Max tool, and I use that all the time on flooring. It's really handy to have one of these mini circular saws next to your side if you're doing a lot of flooring. Like I said before, this is not a sponsored video. The company just reached out and asked if I wouldn't use this on a few projects. You've already seen this used on one particular project, and I do have plans to make other projects. If my opinion changes about this tool, or if anything comes up, I will definitely let you know. I told the company that I am going to be completely open and honest with my opinion on this tool. If you want to get more details on this, I'll leave a link in the description below. Thank you very much for watching. Be safe and have a great day.